there's a difference between visiting the presence of God and residing in the presence of God. That's what this psalmist is about. That when the writer says, whoever dwells, meaning that you do not come into God's presence when you feel like it, but he says you live in God's presence. And believe you me, that I am mindful that there are times when life throws us outside the presence of God, or push the circumstances push us to be outside the presence of God. But that is also a choice. There are times when success, don't even think that is only circumstances that are unbearable to us. But when we have been successful, or when God has blessed us and we have removed ourselves in the presence of God, when fear has pushed us also to be outside the presence of God, when choices that we make have pushed us to be outside the presence of God. But so when we move outside the presence of God, there is no shelter. But it says, whoever dwells in the shelter of the Almighty, he will cover you with his wings. So there is safety in the presence of God. So no matter what you face, be in the presence of God. No matter what you are going through, be in the presence of God. It is better to face the storms with God instead of facing the storms alone. So allow the storms of life to find you in the presence of God, not outside the presence of God. So in whatever that you are going through, say, God, may I be in your presence. When life throws me out, may I be found in your presence. In my pain, may I be in your presence. In my lack of bread, may I be in your presence. In me striving to seek for life and bread, may I be found in the presence of God. So ha re dutse moriting se tshabelo sa modimo ya hodimo mahodimo, ho thwe there is refuge, there is safety in the presence of God. Safety is not found outside the presence of God, and safety is not guaranteed outside the presence of God. And when I talk about safety, do not think of high walls. Do not think of fences with electric fence. No, that's not the kind of safety that I'm talking about. Because some of our brothers and sisters are behind the high walls of prison. The physical prison, physical walls. That is not safety that I'm talking about. Some of us are in our homes with high walls, but can that guarantee us we are in the presence of God? But what I'm saying is, may your heart, may your soul, may everything that you are be found in the presence of God. May God help us. That ka tsohle tseo re kopanang le tsona maemong a lefatshe, re iphumane re le ka hara setshabelo sa modimo, hobane God is our refuge and God will cover us with his wings. Amen. Amen.